Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete an expense in QuickBooks Online. Whether you need to remove a duplicate entry or clear out an incorrect transaction, this process will help you keep your financial records accurate and organized. First, navigate to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on Expenses. This section houses all your expense-related transactions and is where you'll manage everything from bills to vendor payments. Once you're in the Expenses section, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. Click on the Expenses tab specifically. This will display a comprehensive list of all your expense transactions, making it easier to locate the one you want to delete. Now you'll need to find the specific expense you're looking to remove. You can scroll through the list manually if you know roughly when the expense was created, or you can use the filter options to narrow down the results. The filter is particularly useful if you have a large volume of expenses, as it allows you to sort by date, pay, or amount, saving you valuable time. Once you've located the expense, click directly on it. This will open up the expense detail window where you can see all the information associated with that transaction, including the amount, date, category, and any attached receipts or notes. At the bottom of this detail window, look for a button labeled More. Click on it to reveal additional options for managing this expense. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Delete. QuickBooks Online wants to make sure you're certain about removing this transaction, so it will prompt you with a confirmation message. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental deletions that could affect your financial reporting. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Delete again to finalize the action. And that's it. The expense has been removed from your QuickBooks Online account. Keep in mind that deleting an expense is permanent, so always double-check that you're removing the correct transaction before confirming. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.